Hey guys, it's Jonathan, owner of Masters in Trading. So let me walk you through how we trade bonds. And this is the exact trade that Pablo was able to take out $8,000 per week when he started trading with me back in 2017. At the end of this video, I'll leave some additional content that walks you through exactly how Pablo was able to reach those goals. So in front of you, very, very simple. We're just looking at the ZB contract, which is a 30-year future, and the UB contract. This is the Ultra Bond. Very, very liquid. These things can really move. For those out there that think that bonds don't move, you're kidding yourself. Let me explain how we teach this trade. What we have here, these are just cycles that are broken up by weeks. So each one of these weeks is a brand new game. So after this week, it goes and starts at 0. The trades, after the week, it starts at 0, and so forth. These are cycles. We could look at these in weekly. We can look at cycles as monthly, options expiration cycles, annual cycles, but we start with just basic weekly cycles. Because there's a learning curve, I wanted to take you to our Discord room. And this is our futures Discord room that Pablo and myself are in, helping the clients all day, every day. So going back to October 6th, Pablo, need I say more? And what Pablo is referring to is how these contracts bounce off their implied volatility bands. Implied volatility bands is the expected move for the options. You don't need to know options to understand this, but just realize that the Greeks, the gamma and the delta are really kicking in around implied volatility bands, so they're going to act as your first line of support or first line of resistance. And if you look at this chart, going back, sell, boom, gets right back up here, sell, it comes off, right back up here, sell, bounces, and then end of the week, sells right back down, it bounces, bounces, here it sells off, but look what it does right going into the next week. These are reliable bands. It's the simplest way for us to teach and start getting you comfortable with the bond trade. So need I say more? Michael jumps in, doubled my weekly goal and hit it this morning. Awesome, happy for you. Thank you. It's been 6 weeks in a row. Respecting my goal more than my greed, wanting to see a bigger number has really helped. And then we walk people through just kind of mindset. October 7th, Pablo jumps in. We just got a nice pullback to the weekly bands. If you're trading this week-to-week approach using the midweek turnaround tactic or whatever you want to call it, he's just referring to how he took 8K out per week when he started trading with us. This would be a good time to add if you're currently opening a new position or if you opened a position earlier this week and took profits on it already. If you're not involved with real money, consider paper trading this approach to see how it fits. Everybody should be paper trading. It's incredible nowadays that we can learn without risking any money. This is how I started trading bonds, just sharing the approach I use and the trade I use to be specific when starting out for your benefit. Clients asking questions, all learning together. Pablo giving feedback about how charts are set up. We hold 2 futures classes every week. Actually, we hold 1 futures class every Friday, and then every other Wednesday we hold a futures class, and every other Wednesday we hold an options class. So this was covered in our classes. Now Pablo adds, for those of you following the trade, last week we had a good turnaround, but the repeat failed by weekend of importance. Notice the direction from the very start of the following week. In favor of the trade direction, we would be in had we opened on Friday and didn't close. And then we give current profit targets, how to do this trade. And then today is October 13th. All right, we got them where we want them. The 157 puts I was looking at yesterday are currently trading 14-cent bid at 15, high of 22, low of 13. And then Pablo walks everyone through the trade, challenges the room with a question. This is how we learn. This is more important to us, to get people to jump in and answer these questions. Here's Matt. Matt's been with me for a while. Come on, newer folks, jump in here and guess. This is how we learn. We're all learning together. Now this futures trade, it's an awesome trade, but there is a learning curve. That's why for our members, we have 6 futures classes every single month, and then we have the Discord room to walk people through the trade. If I go to the beaker right here, I just want to expand it to show you how it looks on the monthly cycle. Okay, apply, okay. Now, same kind of rules, except we're just looking at it from a monthly cycle as opposed to a week. So let me put it on 90 days. Put it on 2 hours. And here's what it looks on 90 days. Now remember, because these cycles are now on monthly, it's not just a week, right? It's a month. You can see here, it trades right up to the bands, has trouble, gets right by them, has trouble, and then sells off. This is a low vol period. Here's the expected move, but notice how those bonds just stay low vol. Here, gets to the bottom, rallies up, and now it's kind of no man's land. So we watch the weekly cycles, we watch the monthly cycles, and then we go out and watch the annual cycles as well. Now what I'll do, in the video description, I'm going to leave the video where Pablo walks you through exactly how he was able to take out $8,000 per week to get started. My name is Jonathan Rhodes, owner, Masters in Trading.